I want to show you some cool things about water damage and some not cool things about some water damage. Look. The whole entire ceiling's off. And that's in like 3 rooms. And it's not so good because there was fans in this room, really big ones, that were blowing cold air everywhere, which was really uncomfortable. So, and it made it really, really cold outside. Yeah. See, it's like barely blowing air in there. I mean, there's barely anything in there. And so, yeah, please subscribe to this video. Say how cool you think it is, or say how not cool or stuff it is. But subscribe to B for Brady's, my friend's channel. Leave a comment below. Subscribe, thumbs up, do whatever you want. And I want to give a shout out to DP and B for Brady's channel. See you next time.